Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port connector board on the Motorola Moto G Stylus 2022 mobile phone. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray and begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the backer side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to heat the edges. Be careful not to overheat, as this can damage internal components for the back cover. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap along the edge of the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the cover, and then carefully insert a plastic upright tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the adhesive is free, gently lift and remove the back cover. Next, remove the old adhesive from the edges. Next, remove the board cover by undoing 9 screws. Next, disconnect the battery connector from the logic board. Next, remove the not working charging port board from the body. First, remove the bottom cover by unscrewing 8 screws. Next, disconnect the main flex connector to antenna heads and then undo the screw holding the charging port board. Next, free the antenna cables from the board. Next, pull the faulty charging port board from the body. Next, place the new charging port board on the body. Next, secure the board by adding the screw and then connect both antenna heads and the main flex connector plug. Next, place and secure the bottom cover by inserting 8 screws. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, place and secure the board cover by adding 9 screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, Use B7000 glue or new double-sided backcover adhesive. Finally, secure the rear cover to the body using bonding clips. If bonding clips are not available, you can use rubber bands to apply even pressure. Leave them for some time to ensure proper bonding. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe for more repair guides.